Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new iPhone 16e and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. The iPhone 16e is Apple's new budget-friendly option, featuring a compact 6.1-inch display, Apple's latest A18 chip, and a single but powerful 48-megapixels camera. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 FE counters with a much larger 6.7-inch screen, a versatile triple camera setup, and Samsung's AI-powered software enhancements. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartphones and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with design. The iPhone 16e sticks to Apple's familiar aesthetic with flat sides, rounded corners, and that clean, minimalistic look that Apple has been refining since the iPhone 12. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 FE follows Samsung's modern design language but in a larger form factor. Both phones are IP68 rated for water and dust resistance, so durability isn't a concern. One standout feature on the iPhone is the Action button, which can be programmed to do things like launch the camera or mute your phone instantly. That's a handy extra that the Galaxy lacks. But Samsung offers a broader range of colors to choose from, while the iPhone sticks to just black and white. If you prefer a smaller, sleek device with a customizable button, the iPhone wins. But if you like having a larger screen and more color options, the Galaxy has the edge. Moving on to the display, this is where things get interesting. The iPhone 16e sports a 6.1-inch display, while the Galaxy S24 FE boasts a much bigger 6.7-inch panel. Size aside, the biggest difference is the refresh rate. Apple still sticks to 60 Hz, while Samsung delivers a much smoother 120 Hz experience. That means scrolling, swiping, and animations all feel much more fluid on the Galaxy. Another key difference is brightness. The iPhone maxes out at 1,200 nits, whereas the Galaxy S24 FE reaches 1,900 nits, making it easier to use in bright outdoor conditions. If you want a smooth and vibrant display, the Galaxy S24 FE is the clear winner here. In terms of performance, Apple packs the iPhone 16e with its latest A18 chip, while the Galaxy S24 FE runs on the Exynos 2400E. While both phones handle daily tasks smoothly, Apple's A18 processor does pull ahead in benchmarks, meaning better performance for intensive tasks like gaming and video editing. That being said, the biggest limitation for the iPhone isn't the processor, it's the lack of a high refresh rate, which actually makes it feel less smooth despite having more power under the hood. Both phones also come with 8 GB of RAM, which is becoming the minimum standard for AI-based features. If raw power is what you're after, the iPhone is the better pick. But in day-to-day usage, the Galaxy's 120 Hz display might actually make it feel snappier. Battery life is another major factor. The Galaxy S24 FE comes with a beefy 4,700 mAh battery, while Apple claims the iPhone 16e has the best battery life of any 6.1-inch iPhone. Samsung officially rates the S24 FE for 28 hours of video playback, slightly beating the iPhone's 26-hour claim. But for audio playback, the iPhone takes the lead with 90 hours compared to the Galaxy's 81 hours. Charging is slightly faster on the Galaxy with 25 watts wired charging versus Apple's 20 watts wired charging capabilities. The biggest downside for the iPhone is that it lacks MagSafe, so it only supports slow 7.5 watts wireless charging, while the Galaxy offers 15 watts wireless charging. If you want faster charging and a bigger battery, the Galaxy is the better bet, but Apple's efficiency still makes the iPhone a solid choice. Now let's talk about the cameras. The Galaxy S24 FE has the more versatile setup with 3 rear cameras, a main shooter, an ultra-wide lens, and a 3x telephoto camera for zoom. On the other hand, the iPhone 16e sticks to a single 48 megapixels camera, and it's the same high-quality sensor found in Apple's more expensive models. The iPhone excels in video quality and main camera performance, but if you need zoom capabilities or ultra-wide shots, the Galaxy S24 FE is the more flexible option. So if you prioritize versatility, go with the Galaxy. But if you want the best image quality from a single lens, Apple still holds the crown. As for my final verdict, the iPhone 16e is a top-tier mid-range iPhone that checks a lot of boxes. It's compact, powerful, and has excellent battery life, making it perfect for those who prefer a smaller phone and want seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. But the Galaxy S24 FE stands out with its larger, smoother 120Hz display, a more versatile camera system, and a bigger battery. If you want a larger phone with an immersive display and more camera options, Samsung takes the win. So, which one would you pick and why? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you in the next one.